In affiliate marketing, the competition is fierce. Okay, a lot of affiliate marketers do not make money just because of the competition out there. A lot of people are being promoted the same product from dozens of other affiliates. Okay, so you have to give people a reason to buy from you and not your competition. So one way to do this is to offer bonuses. So if they purchase something through your link, you're going to reward them with a bonus product or a few bonus products. And you could either create these bonuses or you can just buy the rights, such as resale rights or private label rights to products. And there are several websites where you can purchase them. You can find them on, or actually you could just go on Google and just type in PLR or private label rights or resale rights to find these types of products that have already been created for you, and you have the right basically to resell them or to give them away as a bonus. Okay, another thing too is you don't have to, but it's also a good idea to create a bonus page. Okay, so it's a web page that you would create and you would list all the bonuses on there and also the benefits of the main product. You know, if you know basic HTML skills, that should be good enough, but there are software tools out there that you can purchase to quickly create these bonus pages.